Hey everybody, and welcome back to Tuesday Talks with FR Investment Group. I'm Flavia, along with
Peter, Cote. So it's early May, still a little bit cool.
your birthday month.
I know we have a lot of people upset we haven't begun the ice cream tour. I think it's been too cold.
It's cold and the places aren't opening yet. You know, they're kind of just starting to trickle through. So Peter and I also have to shake the rust and do a few test runs before we bring it live to you guys.
I have been shaking the rust, and we're trying a few places.
We
We got to make sure they're good.
Right, we can't just debut
go.
any ice cream.
Absolutely, but it is early May. We have the Fed meeting coming. I think later today and tomorrow we're probably going to have a decision. I mean, I know your clients have been asking a lot about what does this mean about raising rates and inflation and everything.
We've been on the phones a lot lately.
We have been, but basically, I mean, and I'm sure you know this because we just had our investment committee meeting. The specter of raising rates has already risen rates. That's why you see the 30-year mortgages right now 5.6, 5.7. Even short-term treasuries have come up a lot, and people are nervous. And a lot of questions that I get asked is that why is the Fed raising rates so quickly? And the main reason is to stave off or cool off the economy. Because you have inflationary pressure, very high inflation. So they're hoping that if they can raise rates, and they don't even have to raise rates to just have rates go up. Just talking about raising rates has done that. And that's obviously roiling the financial markets because the market's trying to figure out, what is a good price for equities and bonds and things of that nature, which is making us work harder, much less time on the golf course, much more time here.
Yep, our golf game will suffer this year.
It will. I'll be playing at night, but that's okay. I like playing later in the day.
It's cooler anyway.
Absolutely. Anything else on your client front that would have to be talked about during Tuesday Talks here?
No, not really. We're just holding the course, keeping things steady, walking people through what all these changes mean and what's going on. I know Amazon earnings were a big upset last week. I got a lot of phone calls on that.
Sure.
And just trying to figure out, what next steps are, making sure we're invested in appropriate things for longer term investors.
I would say right now investors have to really take a much longer view. I know that we all can go on our phones and look at our accounts every day and see everything.
Right.
But time in the market is much better than timing the market, because time in the market, I think, is something that people have to understand versus trying to time the market, and that's where danger comes in. So we're talking to our clients right now about time in the market, not timing the market. And things we've gone through a lot in the world. We're still here, and that's what I would be telling people is that give it some time, let the Fed kind of level out where interest rates are going to be. And everything, should smooth out a little bit, but it's probably going to be a rocky and bumpy summer. That I can say.
What happened to sell in May and go away?
Well, I think, how about, I was going to say, have a nice May and stay.
I guess so. I guess we'll be working full time.
There you go.
As always.
But anyways, it is a little gloomy day here.
It is a little dreary.
Little dreary day today, but yes, the ice cream tours will begin. I'm very excited about that.
Hopefully the weather gets better.
Yes, it would be nice. It was kind of a cool April, but I think I always look at those things as positive things, and I am very aware. For all the people out there that are clients of ours or people that listen about the volatility and the sharpness of the volatility. And, we are here to answer your questions. And I also tell people you should always have some plan, some financial plan.
It helps to go back to the plan.
Absolutely.
It helps to go back to the plan.
Always want to go back to the plan.
Because, usually when you plan long term, it doesn't change week by week. It changes year by year.
That's why I said you can't look at it, as timing the market. It's timing the market.
You got it. However, another big announcement we almost forgot about.
Oh, go ahead.
You know what Sunday is?
Yes.
Mother's Day.
And a very, very happy Mother's Day. One to my beautiful and lovely wife, Flavia, who really is the real rock here in FR Investment Group. And to all of our clients that are the mothers out there, and especially to my mom, Rosemary, who listens, my mother-in-law, Maria, your grandmother, Hildegard, and really for all of our clients out there, wives and mothers, for all the wonderful things that you do to keep us men out of trouble.
us kids out of trouble.
And kids. Absolutely.
And
Absolutely.
another thing we have going on this weekend, out in the community again, we have the Square One Kentucky Derby.
Yes, Square One. You know,
That'll be fun.
we are going to be doing a lot more with Square One this year. I'm very excited about that. We got some big announcements coming.
We do. Well, Peter, with the Kentucky Derby, where's your money on this year? What horse? Because you always win.
I have not done my analysis of the horses yet.
Well, you'll have to keep
Right now,
everybody
I'm
posted.
doing my analysis of financial markets.
Well, when you come up with it, you'll
I
have to
will.
let us
I
know.
will. I'll let everybody know on Tuesday next week how we did.
Sounds good. Well,
Perfect.
thank you all for tuning into Tuesday Talks with FR Investment Group. Give us a like, give us a follow, drop a comment, and of course, if you need us, you know how to get a hold of us. Have a good week, everybody.
Have a good week.